Holt Elementary. My name is Elation Somerville, and I am the proud principal here at Holt. Here, we believe in empowering and elevating lifelong learners ready for success. We offer innovative lessons, strong character education, and a culture where every student belongs, starting with a personal greeting each morning.
Hello, I'm Amanda Martin, the counselor here at Holt Elementary. From storytime to STEM, musicals to movement, our students grow academically, emotionally, creatively, every single day. It's truly amazing. Carroll Holt is more than a school, it's a family.